Hello everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, we will draw and decorate a house for a cute puppy. Let's draw together! First, we're drawing the puppy's face. We are drawing the dog's eyes. And these are the dog's ears. We are drawing the dog's two front legs. Draw slowly and carefully. No need to rush, no need to be perfect, as long as you have fun. We're drawing a bone bowl here. Now, we're drawing the roof of the doghouse. Let's draw a dog cage door here. Dog cages are quite beautiful now and quite easy to draw, right? Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing better. Now we're drawing a tree here. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid.
Red,
orange,
I will paint many colors like red, yellow, purple, green, orange, and many glitter colors for this painting. And you? Which of these colors do you like the most?
yellow,
You can use any color you like to color the picture.
brown,
purple,
I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me.
blue,
green,
blue,
green,
Dogs are very adorable animals. Would you like to have a cute dog like the puppy in this picture?
brown,
The picture is now very beautiful, isn't it? I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.